Hey guys, I'm going to do an unboxing of the Leupold Deltapoint Pro. I got the 2.5 MOA dot. So let's break into it and see what we got. Okay, instructions, always useful. Wow, it's a lot smaller than I was expecting it to be. Okay, quit sliding back in. Well, there she is. Like I said, a lot smaller than I was expecting it to be, which is going to be good because this is going to be a canted backup sight on my AR. I like the fact that it's, pretty low profile for the most part, and when you're looking through it, see if I can. It doesn't have very much as thickness to block view as you're trying to look through it and acquire targets. So that's pretty nice. So we'll set that aside. I appreciate that they gave you a battery. It's a CR2032, so I mean it's a pretty typical flat battery. Looks like just a case when it's not being used. Fits in pretty nice. So yeah, just a protective case. Cool. And what's in here? Oh, mounting hardware. So you got Allen wrenches, Torx wrench, and looks like a couple screws with some Loctite already on the threads. So it is ready to go. You see what looks like a punch out here, but that might not be for this model. Yeah, that's still attached, so I don't think there's anything in there. Okay, so box is empty. Set that aside. So again, we've got main things. Get back out. You got the Deltapoint Pro battery compartment, and then your adjustments. Fairly small thing. A protective cover, a battery, and mounting hardware, plus the instructions. So that's all there is to it. All right, thanks for watching.